Hello children, this is the new video of English 1, chapter number 2, My Birthday Gift. Children, I know you all used to celebrate your birthday and you all get excited for getting gifts, right? You all wait for your birthday only to get gifts. You want to celebrate it very nicely on a grand occasion. You want to call all your friends, all your relatives. Why? They will wish you and they will give you gifts. Right, children? So now this chapter is based on birthday gift. Now we will see whose birthday is there and what all gifts he got. So now children, this is the first page of your chapter. What you have to do? Color this mango tree and draw the mangoes of your family members. Draw and color one mango for each person of your family. What you have to do? You have to color this mango tree. This is mango tree. You have to color it and also you have to draw mangoes. Okay? Now children, how many mangoes you will draw? Just count the number of members in your family and draw that much of mangoes. Each mango for each member. Understood? So draw it nicely so that it looks beautiful. Now let's start the chapter. Today is Rohit's birthday. It is 7 o'clock. He is still sleeping. Children, whose birthday is this? It's Rohit's birthday. And now it is 7 o'clock and still he is sleeping. Just then mother came. What she said? Wake up, Rohit. Happy birthday, my child. It is going to be a day of fun for you. What mother said? Mother woke him up and first she wished him. She wished happy birthday. And again she said that this day is going to be fun day for Rohit. Now, just then Papa came. Look, you wanted an aeroplane and here is the toy for you. Happy? Now Rohit asked for an aeroplane toy and on his birthday he got that toy as a gift. For this, father told, now happy? Rohit said, thank you, Papa. You are great. I am very happy. In return, Rohit said thank you to his father and also said that now he is happy. Again, mother said, won't you thank me, Rohit, for my gift? Now mother said, thank me also. I have also bought you a gift for you. Oh yes, but why this plant? What shall I do with it? Now Rohit said, yes, of course I will say thank you. But why you have brought this plant? What will I do for it? Mother said, she smiles and says, this is a mango sapling, Rohit. Now children, what is a sapling? A sapling is a young plant, a small plant. So mother said, that is a mango sapling. Let's go to the garden and plant this. Mother asked Rohit to plant it in the garden. Then we will take care of it and water it daily. You love mangoes, don't you? Again mother said that daily they will water the plant and they will take care of it. Why? Because Rohit loves mangoes. Rohit, oh, that is really great. Now Rohit is again happy and said, it is great. Mama, when will it grow up, Mama? Again Rohit said, now when mangoes will grow up? Mother said, it will grow slowly. Mangoes will grow on it in about 2 to 4 years. Mother replied, that trees will grow slowly. That mango plant will grow slowly and after 2 to 4 years, mangoes will start coming. Then you can eat those mangoes. Rohit said, great. I will give some mangoes to my friends also. I will give the mangoes to Rita, Sonu and all my friends. Again Rohit is very happy and he said when mangoes will come, he will distribute it. He will give those mangoes to his friends also. Who are his friends? Rita, Sonu and all other friends. Sure, says Mama. Mama is also happy and she says, yes, you can give. They go to the garden and Rohit plants the sapling. He also waters it. Then they went in the garden, they planted the young tree, they planted the young plant and waters it also. Rohit. Now Rohit said, Mama, can I plant a sapling on my every birthday? Now Rohit is that much happy that he wants to plant one sapling on his each birthday. Means every year he wants to plant a sapling. Mother said, sure, they will grow as you grow up. Mother said, yes, you can plant. And they will also grow as Rohit grows. Trees gives us so many other useful things. And apart from mangoes, apart from fruits, trees give us so many useful things also. Father said, let's hurry up. We have to get ready for your birthday party. Now father is saying that they have to get ready for birthday party also. Now mother said, don't worry. I will make special food for all of Rohit's friends. Now what mother said? Mother said there is no need to be in hurry because she will prepare everything for Rohit's friends. Now Rohit said, wow mama, you are great. Now again Rohit is happy and he is praising his mother. He is saying that mother is great. Now children, story is completed. Now bookwork is there. Just see, and as I have done, please you also do in your book. Write with correct spellings. Now some difficult words are there. First one is birthday, birthday, birthday. Second one is really, really, really. Third one about, about, about. Fourth one still, still. Next is aeroplane, aeroplane, aeroplane. Next sapling, sapling, sapling. Next is hurry, hurry. Next worry, worry. Ninth one is special, special. And last one is members, members, members. Now some homework. Read the chapter with correct pronunciation. You have to read the chapter as I have read. Please listen the video carefully and try to read the chapter with correct pronunciation. Learn all difficult words with spelling. 10 difficult words I have given you. You have to learn it with spelling. And do page number 24 and 28 in book. As I have done, please you also do it in your book. Okay children, I think you have understood all. Thank you.